So here I've opened 3 of my edited maps in Photoshop, 3 different ones. I've tried to choose colours that contrast quite well on there too. Once I've done that, I'm going to decide to work on one of those maps. So I've saved it as a copy, and I'm going to go on some of the other maps and create new layers made out of shapes. So if you put new layer and from clipboard, layer via copy, down here it's going to create, as you can see at the bottom here, it's pasted it on the new layer. Then all we need to do is grab this new layer and drag it in your base Photoshop document. So here I'm going to try a different shape, long thin rectangle, and same, make sure you copy on the right layer. So here I didn't copy on the right layer, so I've got just tiny fragment on here, and I'm dragging it in a new document. Okay, so selecting the background layer and then layer new and from copy and pasting it on there. So I'm keeping going here, getting the files from different documents and trying to arrange my layer so I can almost create a weaving effect on here. So selecting another area, copying it and dragging it in there too. Okay, now I can see all my layers on here, but the contrast is not showing quite as well as I would like to. So I'm trying to play around to change the background so my design stands out a little bit more on here. I'm kind of experimenting with the order of the layers as well. Do remember, screenshot your work at all points in there to make sure that it is showing in your PowerPoint. Here I'm just cut a rectangle, pasting that in place, flipping it over. I'm trying to use the filter as well to see different effects that I can get on there, and just try to playing here to get a more complex outcome with playing with the filters. So last of all, I decided to paste a larger circle. It just somehow feels that we need another circle in this composition to make it work. And same, as you can see, I'm trying different things. Once I'm happy with it, I'm going save as JPEG, and once you've got that saved both as a JPEG and a Photoshop file in your folder area, you can try and create a new map.